am going to explain array versus linked list. Okay, we cannot say that array is better or linked list is better. It depends on the size of data, then type of data, then what are the operation that is addition, deletion operations, which one is frequently performed. It's all depending. It may be change. One of the process better in array, some of the process better in linked list. Okay, here so many factors available. Array versus linked list, both are data structure. First factor is cost of accessing an element. Okay, to access one element from array or linked list, what is the cost value? Okay, you take the example. Here 6 elements, I can allocate the memory space 6 elements. Here I am used only 4 values. In my array 6 elements possible. I just added the 4 elements. If I want to access in array second position element means a of 2 means direct access possible. Direct access possible. Compiler how to do from base address. Okay, to calculate from the base address plus which position I need second position value means 2 into 4. 4 means byte. How many bytes occupied for each element? Here 4 bytes integer, so I used 4 bytes. 2 into 4 8, total 8. 108. Compiler can access to from address 108. It occupies the values 9 to return the value. Okay, so in array if we want to access data means we can easily access data, that is directly access the data. Okay, so time complexity is order of 1. In linked list, you know already the linked list concept. Linked list, it is a collection of node. A node contains 2 parts, that is data part, another one is link part. In data part contains values, what data. In link field contains to point the address of the next element. Okay, here I pointing the 1000, that is head pointer, not a head node. Here this one is head node. This is a head pointer. Head pointer always point the first address of the node. Here first address is 1000, so head pointer noting the 1000. Okay, here in this case I want to access any element, any node value means I can't go directly because in linked list not a consecutive location. If you take array means it occupied memory space consecutive location. In array, in linked list, no consecutive location. So you start from the head pointer, then head pointer what pointing, next address is 2000, then move to a next one, then next one is 3000. So in this manner only we can access the data, we can't go directly. In case if we want to access the 10th node means first you have to start from the head point. After that only move to 10 times 10th, at the 10th position only you can access. So here time complexity is order of n. So n time movement is needed. So order of n. In array directly can access. So time complexity is order of 1. In array stored in the continuous location. In linked list not a consecutive location. Second factor is memory requirement and memory utilization. Okay, in this place memory requirement is in array less requirements, in a linked list more requirements because it occupies only 4 bytes. Okay, it occupies only 4 bytes. In linked list it occupies 8 bytes because it contains 2 field, that is data field, another one is link field. It occupies 4 bytes for data, another 4 bytes for link. So totally 8 bytes. So memory requirement is in array list only it occupies only 4 bytes. In linked list occupies 8 bytes. Okay. We can specify in array fixed size. Already we specified the maximum limit. For example, a of 50 or a of 10, any element. But my usage is not a confirm. Okay. If I want to add 100 element means I can use it. In case I used only 10 elements means remaining 90 elements spaces are waste. This is one of the drawback in array. In linked list, no need to give beforely. Okay, dynamic size. We can change or add it the another node also. But here no need to extend the size of array. Okay, beforely mention the size 50 or 100 anything else. Okay, but so no need to extend the size. We can easily add the values. For example, if I want to add one more element means I can easily I already allocated 7 memory space, 7 elements. I used only 3 elements, can easily add it here. Add value 4 at the position 3. Okay, then for example, how many bytes are occupied here? Totally I allocated 7 elements. So 7 into each element occupies 4 bytes, totally 28 bytes. In linked list I used 3 node. Each node occupies 8 bytes. So totally 24. Consider same value means here 7 means 28 bytes. Here in case I used 7 node means it occupies 56 bytes. So memory requirement here is less memory requirement. In linked list memory requirement is more. Okay, then memory utilization. Memory utilization in array less effective, in linked list very effective. If I want to add one more node, if I want to add one node means I can easily add at the end. Okay, pointing null pointer. If I remove the null pointer, after add one more node, then add the sizes plus 8 bytes. Just if I want to add one node means just add the size 8 bytes. So size is 32 bytes. But here no need to extend the size because I already allocated memory space. So I can easily add it. If I want to add some element here means I can easily add. Here no need to extend size. In linked list I want to add node means I want to add the extend the size of the bytes. Then only I want to add. I am going to add the element. This is the second factor. Okay. In next third factor is cost of insertion and deletions. Okay. If I want to add element means insertion. If I want to delete element means deletions. In array I want to add some element. If at the end of the position means here I am going to add value 4 means the time complexity is order of 1. 3 cases. Okay, if I want to insert or delete value means 3 cases. I can add at the beginning. If I want to add the element at the end or at the ith position. Okay, 3 cases possible. Then if I want, in this example I add the value in the at the end of the position. Okay, at the time complexity is I can directly add the element because the compiler can calculate the values from the formula base address plus position element. Okay, so directly added the corresponding address. So if I want to add element at the end means here no movement, no process, directly can add the element. So the time complexity is order of 1. In case I want to add first position means what we do, first position is already I added. In this position only now I am going to add again means first free the space. First I am going to free the space. So what we do, shifting the process, shifting each element one by one After that, free some space. At the time only add the element. So here time complexities n movement appear. So time complexity is order of n. In case if I want a middle position, in this place I want to add means middle position means what we do at the time also whatever elements after that just moving. So here also movement is process. So here also time complexity is order of n. If I am going to add at the end means no problem, time complexity is order of 1. If at the beginning or middle of the position means time complexity is order of n. Next one is linked list. In linked list how you add? Same process at beginning, at the end, at ith position. Okay. Here at beginning means no problem. If I want to add one node at the beginning means no problem. Already in beginning pointing the address 1000. Okay, head pointer points 1000. So starting node is the data value is 6. Here in this position I want to add means just change the address 4000. Okay, I want to add this node to my first means just already in my head pointer pointing 1000. If I want to add this point node means what we do, just change the head pointer address 4000, then pointing some it occupies some value means 5. Just the link field contain the already first node address, that is 1000. Okay, you see here 1000. I am going to change 1000 to the 4000 because my first node is this node. So I am changing head pointer 4000. The next link is 1000. Okay. At the time complexity is order of 1. If I want to add at the end means what we do, I can't go directly because it is not a consecutive location. I want to change. I want to start from the head pointer, then head pointer what points, then next only I change move to next node. After that only I add the at the end of the position. So the time complexity is order of n. If I want to add a middle position means same process. Middle means I can't go directly. I start from the first position because it occupies consecutive, not a one consecutive location, different locations. So I go from start from the head pointer and then what address pointing, then only I have to move. Okay, so at the time also time complexity is order of n. Okay, is it clear? Then next one is easy to use. Okay, easy to use. Array is very easy compared than linked list. In searching process, array processed linear and binary search. In linked list only perform linear search. Okay, is it clear to you? Okay, thank you.